Simple little video, welcome. We see over here 3 times 7. What is 3 times 7? We're going to show you what 3 times 7 is. Let's get out a little blue pen. And here is one of the 7s, right? But this is a 7 that takes up 2 squares. So that's 2 of the 7s. And now I created 3 times the 7, okay? It also looks like, you see the way the curvature comes in? Because it's the limit, okay? The limit makes up the 7 because it's got to go back sort of like that way. The limit, okay? The limit, okay? 2 times 7, the limit. Right? 2 times 7, the limit, right? But what about this? Right? What are these two? I don't know yet. But limit, and then add on the 2 tails, 2, 5, 2 limit. Okay, in this one, we have the first 7, which is over here. Then we have the next 7, which is over here. Once we create the second 7, we now have the F letter. Once we create the third 7, okay, and remembering how I work, everything's in 3s. So the first 7 is 7. The second 7, okay, is also not more than 7, but the second 7, if I would do this properly and draw the line down here, like they always do to equal it out, right? Isn't that the way they equal it out? They meet this line, meets this, right? If you actually look at it, it's 4 over 4. But it's 7, okay? Now on the third 7, here's the third 7. Now I no longer count this area here. Every time you move 3, I count 1 here. Then I count the 2, then I count, this is one area, this is the line with no line. This line over here is over here. Okay, sorry I didn't show that, okay? This line is over here. This line is over here, okay? This line is over here. So it's 1, 2, 3, which creates the E on one side, the F on the other, okay? And then you go 1, 2, 3 all the way up over here. Now you eliminate this, and now we have 3 and E at the bottom. So this is what this actually does. I mean, it's not much. I mean, where am I going with it? I'm just showing you the artwork of what it says. Okay, once you create this 7 here, there's nothing here. There's just a right angle. We're going to do that again. The minute you create this one, right, the only thing you have here is this angle over here. It's almost like saying I have a 7 here, sideways, and I have a 7 up. When you have 7 up, the other 7 is sideways. Then you got 7 up, the other 7 is sideways. 2 triangles, 1 on each side, or we're now creating the eyes. Since man's eyes, okay, since my eyes are up here, okay, this one is down here, I now have to reverse the 7s, okay, and then create the 2 angles, and then you can create the eyes, unless you want to look at it as driving down the street, right, and that would be actually the nose, driving down the street or the waterway. Raphael, 72, 86, in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.